Hey, it's me, Nirav Shah, the Vice President of Dataverse, the low-code data platform included in the Power Platform. I also focus on connectivity to all your enterprise data through the Power Platform connector ecosystem, as well as AI Builder, enabling anyone to infuse AI into their applications and processes. Dataverse and the rest of the Power Platform teams have been hard at work and have a ton of incredible updates that we're very excited to share with you at this year's Power Platform conference. We've got new capabilities that make it easier and faster than ever before to build data-driven applications, automations, and analysis with new types of data using things like elastic tables, no-code business logic leveraging Power Effects, and AI-driven Copilot experiences that let you go from an idea to a full-blown enterprise application in no time. We'll also talk about how you can build Copilots of your own across the Power Platform as well as Microsoft 365, which can connect to all of your enterprise data, whether it's natively in Dataverse or accessed through our 1,000+ Power Platform connectors, as well as how you can make that data available for deeper insights in just a single click, leveraging Microsoft Fabric. And of course, all of this done with the security, compliance, and governance that you require to scale across your organization, leveraging managed environments. These are just some of the Dataverse highlights we'll cover in more detail at the conference, with even more to share across every other part of the Power Platform. Through the incredible list of scheduled sessions and workshops, you can get up to speed and hands-on with all of these great new capabilities. You'll also get to interact directly with many of us from the product team, who will be at the sessions, workshops, booths, and hosting meetups throughout the conference. We love hearing from the amazing and passionate community that we have here about what you're doing with the platform, how it's going, and the challenges that you're facing. It's why I'm so excited to attend this year. Hearing the incredible stories from this community about the impact that the Power Platform is having was so amazing last year. I can't wait to do it again in October. We have a great lineup planned and it will be an awesome experience. So please go register at powerplatformconf.com. Hope to see you there.